Take my whiskey.
What the hell is even that?
My bed at 3. Banana milkshake. Break your jaw when she gets angry. I pulled out a little Christmas jumper today. I was feeling in a Christmas jumper mood, so here we are. I also tied my hair up for once, so we'll see how that looks on camera. Hopefully I don't look too eggy.
Can you tell which is which?
My feet are already killing me. Yay. Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. I am literally so excited. I did something, you guys. I did something and I said this in my what I want to do in like my 2024 bucket list, but I basically wanted a centre knitting machine so bad. It's a skill that I've always wanted to try, which is like knitting, especially knitting machines, even if it's just the long straight ones. But they were like £60, £70 on Temu. They were about £30 or £40 and I wasn't too sure, but then my family, well my brother and my mum basically ordered stuff off TikTok shop and it came out okay. So I've kind of ordered it off TikTok shop, and because it was my first time buying something, I got it for £13. So how good it's going to be, I'm not sure. It's the 48 needle one, which is the biggest one. It's not a Centro one, it's like an off-brand one, but it looks legit. It looks good. It had like 4.9 out of 5 stars, and like it had a lot of people that had bought it. So hopefully it's good, and I'm very excited. And it arrives in like 2 days. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. And I thought, what better way to get some little inspiration flowing than doing a Pinterest video and finding some Pinterest finds that people have done. Now finding some knitting projects that people have done on Centro knitting machines. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be a Pinterest video on Centro projects because I am so super duper excited. And I've also come to the conclusion that I want to redo my scrap yarn scarf and do it through the Centro knitting machine as well, so please don't be angry. But I wanted to do this one first, and then I'm going to do like a whole separate video on like first impressions of the machine and like how easy it is to use and navigate, and then I'm going to be redoing my scrap yarn scarf in the Centro machine and redoing it again. But hopefully it'll be good this time. But yeah, this isn't going to be separated into 3 different sections as usual with my Pinterest videos, because it is just clothing and a few accessories that I'm going to be talking about, so there's no point putting it into little things. There are like 50 pins, but most of them are clothing. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. Alrighty, so the first thing that I obviously found were scarves, cute little scarfy scarves, and these are probably going to be the easiest thing to make. I know that scarves and beanies are probably the most popular thing in Centro knitting machines. So yeah, we have this cute little bow scarf. I think the bow's been added in afterwards because you can't obviously do like detail on knitting machines. And there's this multicoloured yarn as well. There's this cute little Harry Potter scarf that I thought was super duper fun, so that'd be a cool little Christmas gift. It'd be a lot quicker than crocheting. I'm so sorry, I'm going to keep moving this entire time because my feet are killing me already. I think this is one of the things that I'm most looking forward to making, is this type of jumper. Someone I know called Jodie also did this in a Centro knitting machine. I found it super duper cool. The girlfriend did like the little crochet miffy in the middle, and then they like did the knitting machine for the rest of the jumper. And I think this is what tipped me over the edge of buying one as well. This will just like, yeah, definitely this is what I want to be making. So even like combining crochet and knitting, I think that'd be super duper cool. We also have a few other tops. We have like off the shoulder sweaters, on the shoulder sweaters obviously. This super duper adorable fairy type top as well. This is adorable, and if I can start wearing things like this in summer, amazing. I know I probably mention in every single video, but Ava P has quite a few knitting machines, and I know that she did, right, I'm gonna have to sit here. She did quite a few tops like this with the chunky bows on the side of it, which I'm absolutely in love with. And then I found this skirt as well, which is just Weasley caught to the max with the multicoloured bows on the side and then the patchwork. We have this one as well, which is a star top with like mismatched sleeves, like one's like a thinner sleeve and the other one's a thicker sleeve. We have quite a few lounge sets as well, and also trousers. Now making trousers with a knitting machine would be absolutely amazing. I'm just so excited to learn a new skill. I'm so excited. I love, love, love this top. I'm not sure if it's done with a knitting machine, but it's just one that I found, and it's like a stripy top, but the sleeves are super duper 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 long, so, and like flowy, because obviously it's going to be a lot thinner, like knitting a top, than it is to be crocheting a top. So the long sleeves are just like extra what I want. What I want. Now doing a dress. If I'm able to make a dress, that would just be insane. That would just be insane to me. Like, to be able to make a dress, but to be able to say that, yeah, I made this dress. Yeah, I made this dress. Especially, I love the chunky bows. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not really fond of bows in general. Like, I don't wear a lot of bows, as you can probably tell. But having bows on the back of these dresses just looks absolutely adorable. Then we have a few more scarf designs. This one's a green tea mug scarf, which is just adorable, and then there's a sushi one as well, just so creative. I found quite a few YouTube tutorials as well on Pinterest. So there's this DIY knit mini dress, which is a pink and red mini dress with long sleeves, and it looks super duper adorable. There's this knitted top as well, which is just like a basic summer top. We have this tank top as well. I think one of the great things about the knitting machine for me personally is going to be that I can get more tight fitted things. I did say in the bucket list video as well that I wanted to start wearing more tight fit projects, so this is going to be perfect. I'm gonna have to sit down. And then we also have this one, which again, I think they've just used like multicoloured yarn instead of switching the colours around. But this is just a tie front jacket. I'm so sorry if you can hear the noise in the background. Someone's cutting down their trees. What a time to do it, sir. What a time to do it. And then we just have some more jumpers, more tops. There's this cardigan, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this cottagecore Centro cardigan. It literally looks like something you get off Zara. Like, all of these are just like what you'd be getting off of regular high street shops, which is just insane. We have this off the shoulder sweater as well. We have this other one, which is knitted trousers in 2 hours. To be able to make a pair of trousers in 2 hours sounds absolutely insane. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to record the process as well, because obviously with crocheting I learnt it myself a little bit first, and then I started making videos and things like that. But with knitting, I've no clue, like machine knitting, no idea. So it'll be really fun to like have a little journey. I'm so excited. And then last but not least, we seem to have flown through these, is this knitted shrug, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Like, I'm going to write everything down as well, all the new stitches, not the new stitches, all the sizing and things like that. I'm going to make proper good job at it, and then hopefully if I get good I'll be able to sell some things, because that'd be really, really cool, making people some little Centro knitting machine projects. But yeah, that is everything that I've found. I'm sorry that it's a little bit short, but it's basically the same things but with added accents and different sleeve types and different fits. So yeah, obviously it's all one type of stitch, so there's not much different you can do there. Much. But yeah, let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see me doing with this machine. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to do like an unboxing first impressions type video as soon as it arrives, which again is in like a couple of days. I'm just very, very excited, and it's just a new thing, a new skill that I'll be able to learn in some more videos that I can be able to create for you guys. More content, everything. My feet are really hurting me. But yeah, also down below will be linked this Pinterest board. Like I said, it's not in any sections. I'm going to have to do it like this because my feet are killing. Down there is also the Discord if you did want to join a group of lovely, lovely people over there. What else? If you have any suggestions for any other types of content, it doesn't have to be to do with the knitting machine, then also feel free to comment that down below. And I hope you enjoyed.
Bazinga!
Bazinga is the war cry of Sheldon.
But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely little dumplings, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye now. Bye.
Lie back down.